So this is a piece of tech I didn't think I'd be reviewing. This is the Vactidy Blitz V15 Max vacuum. I'm not someone who is really into vacuuming a lot, but this has made vacuuming really enjoyable. It's got a 2-in-1 vacuum mop system. It's got a really cool filtration system, and it's got this green eye technology that I really like. I'm going to go through all the details of this vacuum along with my experience using it. So let's check it out. So this is the Blitz V15 Max vacuum, and I have really enjoyed using this. I was a bit skeptical initially. I was like, oh, it's just a vacuum. But since I've used it, I love the modularity of it. It's just so easy to just press a button and it just kind of unclips. There's no kind of like struggling with undoing any pieces or parts or anything. It's just very seamless. And let's go straight into like the cleaning elements of it, because I have really enjoyed the green eye technology. So the green eye technology is basically this light that is on the front of the vacuum. So every time you use it, it shines on the floor. So when this green eye technology shines on the floor, it shows me so much of the dirt that's on the floor that I don't miss. Like your naked eye just does not kind of see any of this stuff. And it picks it all up with this 4D turbo brush. So this 4D turbo brush has anti-tangle technology, and it's also part of the reason why this glides so smoothly along the floor as well. That suction uses 65,000 PA or Pascal, which is basically a measurement for kind of suction on a vacuum, and it picks everything up. So in combination with all of that, that green light allows me to see all the dirt on the floor, and it picks it up so easily. So there are a couple functions on here on the screen, which we're going to talk about later in the video. So there's like a floor mode, carpet mode, and a turbo mode. They all kind of have different suction powers based on if you're using hard floor carpet or if you're just kind of trying to get a stubborn stain off the floor. So all that dust and everything goes into the dustbin. This dustbin is 1.5 liters, which is more than enough for picking up the dirt that you're going to need to pick up around the home. So you see this little module on the inside is the filtration system, and this is called their HyperSeal technology. So this basically collects all the kind of dust and dirt and everything, and it's got a HEPA filter as well. So it collects 99% of microscopic dust down to 0.3 microns. And what that basically means is that all the dust that you typically get with vacuums that's kind of being thrown around the room, this traps that dust in the dustbin and in that filter, which means that you're not going to have to worry about more dust being in the air, and it cleans out your air essentially, which is a really nice feature that they've added and really thoughtful as well. With all of that, how long does that battery last? Well, it lasts for about 60 minutes on the lowest setting. So if you have it on the floor setting, that will last for 60 minutes. But if you have it on the carpet setting or on the turbo setting, it will be a bit less. You don't have to guess how long it's going to last, because the screen on top actually tells you how much time you have left to vacuum. It tells you what mode you're vacuuming on the left side, and any errors or issues or anything you need to do, like charge the battery, if there's a block on the brush or anything, it tells you that on the right side, and it's got these red icons there. It's really informative, gives you up-to-date data when you need it whilst you're vacuuming. So when it comes to charging the vacuum, you just have to dock it, which this dock actually comes in the box, which is a really nice addition. The charging takes around 3 hours, quite a bit of time, but it does kind of trickle charge. It seems at the beginning, and then kind of speeds up as it goes along the charge. But if you're going to be leaving it overnight, then it's not an issue. So the charging dock also comes with these two sections on the side, one for your crevice tool, which is basically for getting like blinds or vacuuming like in between the couch or in your car in difficult areas. And then there's the furniture brush as well, which is for cleaning things like your couch and things like that. This all comes nice and tidy within the box and everything, and allows you to just dock it all nice and tidy. With the mop attachment, you just fill it up with water, you click it onto the vacuum, and then you just turn the switch, which basically allows the water to flow through to the mop section. And then you can just start vacuuming and mopping at the same time. It works really well. It's not going to get those really, really stubborn stains. It's not like a heavy duty mop, but it is really useful for, especially if you've got those hard floors and you've got guests coming over and you want to do a very quick vacuum and mop of the floor, then this allows you to just get all that done really quickly, really easily. And then to detach it, you literally just click it off and then empty the water out, and then you're done. If you have like that standard home mix of hard floor and carpets, you want something that's really modular, lightweight, easy to use, and also comes with 2 years of warranty as well, then the Vactidy Blitz V15 Max is probably the vacuum you're going to want to be looking at. So with everything we just mentioned, with the modularity, lightweight, 2-year warranty, and all the other awesome features that we talked about earlier on in the video, This vacuum is really reasonably priced. You can also get £18 off with my exclusive discount code, Mike18, which I'll leave down in the description and everything, and also pinned in the comments. That's valid until August 15th, so make sure you check that out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.